Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. There's another addition to the Caseta smart home line at Lutron. The Caseta Pico Paddle Remote has arrived with a design that smart home techies will love. It looks like a regular paddle switch and needs no wiring. Product Manager Adam Mack says it's designed to work with the company's Diva and Claro smart switches.
This is a battery-operated remote. There's a coin cell battery inside. It's a 2032 battery, so it's a battery that's widely available at any drugstore or online. And this battery lasts up to 10 years. And so the remote allows you to directly control or directly pair it with that primary load control that's in the room controlling the lights.
And it can control up to 10 Caseta devices or even Sonos speakers. Find more at CasetaWireless.com. You can find us at Techies.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.